Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 28 also asks us to predict an outcome from two data points. It says 3 weeks after a new dog park finder app is introduced, there are 940 users. By week 7, there are 1,148 users. If the relationship is linear, predict the number of app users after 20 weeks. So we're going to follow the same process. We're given 2 points in this problem as well. 3 weeks after the dog park finder app is introduced, there's 940 users. So our x is 3 weeks and our y is 940. The second point says after week 7, so x is 7, and y is 1,148. Now I'm going to go through the same process. First, I'm going to find my slope. Second y minus first y divided by second x minus first x. So my slope would be 1,148 minus 940 over 7 minus 3. When I subtract the top, 1148 minus 940 is 208, and 7 minus 3 is 4. When I divide those, I find out my slope is 52. Now again, I'm going to use the point-slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. And again, I can choose either of the 2 points. This time I'm going to choose 3 and 940. So y minus my y coordinate is 940 equals my slope is 52, and my x-coordinate is 3. So now I'll simplify. Y minus 940, I have a distributive property. 52 times x is 52x, and 52 times 3 is 156. Now I'll add 940 to both sides in order to get y by itself, so it says y equals, and I would find out that y equals 52x plus 784. I want to be able to predict the number of app users after 20 weeks. So that means my x is going to be equal to 20. So I will substitute 20 for x, 52 times 20 plus 784. Then I'll use the order of operations. 52 times 20 is 1,040 plus 784, and I would find the number of app users after 20 weeks. If I add 1,040 plus 784, I will get 1,824 users.